Right. Good girl, Shekinah. Up, up. Good girl, Gracie. Good girl, Daisy. Yeah. Yeah, come on, over here. Come on. Hello, would you like some tasty morsels? Shekinah. Daisy. Gracie. Who's down here? Orange? Orange and Zora. And Lenore. And Sasha. And Greenie. And Shekinah. And Heather. And Olivia. I'm mobbed. Oh no. Oh no. Here, I'll put some over here. This here bowl here. There we go. Okay. Okay, down here again. Where is Luda? Luda. There you are. Luda. 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 Hey, buddy. Luda. Luda. Not for you guys. Luda. It's for Luda. Get back, Shekinah. Get back, Orange. Luda. Want some? Luda. It's for you, baby. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right, who wants to come up, up? Up, up. Up, up. Oh, you're coming. Hello, Heather. Come on over. Good girl. Look at you following order. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dudes. Oh, that's Betsy. She usually jumps up. She jumps on the shelf, jumps on the rail, jumps on the shelf. She can be a boss. Yeah. Okay, you guys got water over there. How much water in here? You got water in there. Yep. You got food for tomorrow morning. Yep. All right. Oh, Luda, look at you. Wow, mister. Wow. Okay, here's some here. Who wants some up here? Want some? There you go. Luda, good boy. You tell them where it is. Good boy. Good boy, Luda. You telling your ladies where the treats are. You are a good rooster. Yeah. All right, scatter. Oh, that's Betsy. She's got it all to herself. Oh, there's Luda. Hi, Luda, Luda. Hello, Lenore. Are you going to come up? You want a treat because you're up? Here. Come here, Lenore. You're my newest one. I think you might be laying eggs, too. Hello, pretty girl. Yes, pretty girl. You going to peck all the sunflower seeds out? Maybe. Hi, Zora. Pretty blue-green eggs. Last one at night to go to bed. Oh, that wasn't very nice. Here, I'm going to give her more. No, you want to be a butthead? I won't treat you. No, I won't. Sasha, you're so quiet. There you go. All right. Oh, sorry. You better hope no one pecks that treats off of you. There's a scratch. Who can I pet? I can pet you, Daisy. Hello, friend. I come from underneath. She likes this. Yeah. Hi, Shekinah. Hi, Shekinah. I'm going to pet you. Yes, my duck. Yes, my chicken duck. Chicken eagle duck. Pretty girl. You're so pretty. You coming up, Lenore? I'll pet you too. Oh, yes, my girl. You're so soft. Hello. Hello, Heather. I'm going to pet you too. Hi, sweetie. Good night. Good night, my love. You alright, Grace? Alright, Luda? Looks a little tight, cramped quarters for you there, bud. Yeah. You won't let me touch you, and that's okay. You're a protector. Mm-hmm. Oh, there's Lenore. Hello, sweetie. I'm going to pet you, okay? I already gave you lots of treats. I just want to pet you. No, I'm going to pet you. Hello, Lenore. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty. Pretty. I know you don't like it on top. That's okay. I know. Hello, Heather. Jealous? Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Want to come up? Up. Good girl. Good girl. Come over here. Come over here. Oh. Almost. Hello, my friends. Hi. Did you get enough, Betsy? I'm going to pet you too. Come here. No, I'm going to pet you. I'm still going to pet you. I don't care if you run away. All right. I know, sweetie. All right. Yep. All right, my loves. I know the sun's still out, but I need to get inside. What are you doing? There you go. Who did I not say goodnight to? I think I got everybody. There's 5 white and black chickens, including the rooster. Hello. And 5 black and brown chickens, including Zora. Usually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5 Zora. And 2 light browns. Heather and Olivia. Heather has the blue band on her leg. Otherwise, they're getting very close in size and in coloring. Pretty sure Olivia on the left is Heather's mother. Yeah. Yeah. You got incubated. And what are you doing, Gracie? Really? Do it again, Grace. I want to see it. You goofballs. All right, chicks. What's the matter? What's the matter? All right, guys. I gotta go in. I know I can watch you all day long. You going to bed, Olivia? Are you going to bed? She is usually, Olivia, she's usually the first one up there in the roost. She's an early bird. Good night, Olivia. Zora stays there on top till everyone else goes to bed. She's the last one in. Uh-oh, Lenore, what are you going to do? What are you going to do, Lenore? Aha, you did it. All right, my friends. Good night, good night. See you in the morning.